Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to look up a stock or ETF on QuestMobile and how to read some of the key information that helps you understand how the stock is performing. Looking up a stock symbol on QuestMobile is easy. To start, click the magnifying glass in the top right of your screen. Here, you can enter the ticker symbol of the company you're looking for. These are often shortened forms of the company name, but you can also search for the full name as well. You may see multiple ticker symbols for one company. This is because a stock can trade on multiple exchanges, or has different classes of shares available. For this video, we'll look up Apple. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Once you type in Apple, you'll see Apple show up in the drop-down list. Tap on the ticker symbol to bring up the stock's detailed information. Here, you can see the stock symbol, the company name, the current stock price, which is updated as the page was loaded, and how much the price has moved since the end of the last trading day. You'll also see a graph showing the stock's price movements. This shows you the price changes during the current or last trading day by default. You can change the time frame below to show the past 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, year, or even since the stock was first listed. The expand button on the end shows you a larger landscape-oriented version of the chart. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a buy button. If you own any shares of the stock, you will see a sell button as well. These will float at the bottom of the screen so that you can easily access them at any time. If you're looking for information on how to place an order, please refer to our How to Make a Market and Limit Order video, which is linked in the description below. As you continue down the stock page, you'll see some key statistics of the stock. First, you'll see the previous close and open prices. These numbers may be different based on how the stock was trading in the after-hours market. Below that, you will see the daily low and high, which shows you how much the price has changed throughout the day, as well as the 52-week low and high, which shows you how much it has changed over the past year. Below this, you'll see dividend information. Not all stocks pay dividends, but if they do, then dividends will show you how much money was paid out per share the last time a company paid a dividend. The percentage in brackets shows the dividend yield, which is the share price divided by the annual dividends paid. The dividend yield can be a helpful reference, as it gives investors an idea of the return they would have made off dividend payments if they had held the stock for an entire year. Next to dividends is the X date, which is the date you need to own the shares by in order to receive the next dividend payment. Also available are key metrics such as the price to earnings ratio and the earnings per share. These are sometimes used to compare the performance of the stock to its competitors, or the market as a whole. Below PE and EPS, you'll see the next scheduled date for the company to release their earnings report if available. Lastly, you have the company's current market capitalization. If you swipe over to the second page, you'll find more information like the bid price, which is the highest price on an open buy order, and the ask price, which is the lowest price on an open sell order. You can use the in-app learning mode to learn more about the other key statistics found on this page. Continuing down, if you own shares of the stock you're looking at, you will find information about your positions. Finally, you'll see the stock's newsfeed. This brings you the top articles relating to the stock, so that you can make more informed investing decisions. If you're looking for information on watch lists and news, you can view our watch lists and news video. The link is available in the description below. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information about your Questrade account, please head over to our educational videos on our YouTube channel.